Good morning. Hey there. Beast Avocado, William, Dio, Niall, Brian. Thanks for stopping in. Yeah, we could put more lizards in there. Hey, Jared. I like lizards. They're very cool. Good morning, Drago, Talgat, Vladimir, Kokosko, Lars, Leopard. Hey there. Morning, Potatoes. More super scalping today. The way it originally started. With just slightly less chaos. Not trading every candle, but certainly trading the movements within the larger movements. Gonna start looking for opportunities in 3 minutes. Search up the Thorny Devil. Yeah, that thing's awesome. So cool. Hey, Perry. Only made $15 today. Avocado. Is that on a micro? It's more about how many points you make, because then you can size up from there. Dollar amount isn't that important. 20 points on one MNQ contract is only $40 before commissions, but it's 400 on one NQ. And it's 4,000 on 10 NQ. All about the points. Hey, Owen. Thanks for stopping in. What are my thoughts on the chart right now? Well, pre-market looked pretty not good, but seems like the action is good right now. Volatility's good. A little high even. Hello. Dumb joke. Hey, Helen Dark. I had a good weekend. Hope yours was good too. Alright, I'm going to focus in on the charts a little bit. $16 on 2 NQ. That's amazing. Great job. Nice job, Dre. Hey, Andy. Yeah, we're going sideways right now. Important to not try to time anything. I've hesitated on a few trades, but that's okay. Ooh. A little too tight on the stop. Oh boy. Ooh, that's rough. To the exact tick. Break even instead of 13 points there. Alright. Still getting used to returning to this. There will certainly be some stuff to work on, but I'm liking it. I'm gonna have to work on being less hesitant. Really just have to go nuts. But it has been a while. Otherwise, you'll just take winning trades in your head, and by the time you finally build the courage to take a trade, it'll be the one that might not work. Discretionary system only works if you make it work. If you execute every idea. Hey Frosty, I'll answer that in a little bit once I'm done. It's a good question. I'll be done in like 8 minutes. Or sooner if I hit the max daily loss. The trade felt kind of dumb. But sometimes it works. Price action feels kind of weird. It's like strangely volatile, directional, choppy, sideways. It's like everything all at once rather than being consistent. Tricky. I certainly could have done a little bit better though. But I'm not done yet, so we'll keep looking. Didn't want to sell right there. Bad habit. Of course, that means the time you don't do it. The times you don't do it, it works. Times you do it, it doesn't. Just have to eliminate that though. I do not do well with those. So I got to eliminate them. Stick to the in-between for me. Just a couple more minutes. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Dylan. This was some weird action. Coming up into resistance. Man, it doesn't care. It's a lot of green in a row. Finally broken this kind of downward structure. It's really hard to buy when it does this. It goes against our human nature. Stupid. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna try to join it. That's really dumb. Really, really dumb. Shorted here. Stopped out. Followed. Yeah. Probably like at my max daily stop. Oh yeah, I am. Well, obviously I should have stopped. Set 9:52 as my time to end. Would have just been small red. I think I have like one tick left of the max daily loss. Let's find out. Nope. Yeah, I definitely should have stopped. I will add that to my notes because with this whole transition to returning the way I used to trade, forgot to add in the note of when to stop. I think I was only down like 7 points or so before this, but I'll see in the recording. I sold here and moved the stop loss to here. Got ticked out before going 13 points to my target. One here. Unfortunate, but lots of learning, of course. Lots to take away from. Okay, Frosty. Hey, just wanted to ask what your opinion is on hitting your profit target for the day and not wanting to trade. Pretty new and feeling like it's limiting the amount of real-time practice I get. A max profit target for the day can be good to start with, but over time you're going to find that you become desensitized to the amount of money that you make on the day, where it messes with your head and makes you trade poorly because all you're thinking about is how much you're up. You know, that's going to go from $100 to $200 to $300 and so on and so forth. And maybe 10 years from now, $100 is going to feel like $10,000. It's just something you have to take slow and trust the process. We've got a lot to review there, because that should have gone good. This shouldn't have happened, because I should be stopping at 952, like my old notes. This is a 20-second chart. Should you start a live account or give the infamous 50k eval one last go? I don't know. I'm not sure. Guess that's up to you. Ow. Oh yeah, I'm glad in the live stream that the microphone actually picked up the sound of my hip cracking. So that's good. Glad it did that. Alright, I'll probably end it there. Very bad in here. Should have stopped at 952. Gonna add that back to my notes, because I forgot. Super scalping is very intense and requires a lot of focus, and I can only do that for 15 to 20 minutes. The reason I stop at 952 is because over the months that I was doing this, I found that my performance after that point was terrible. Very, very bad. So I'll probably end it there. Unless you guys have anything else. I'll just do the intro. No, outro. And then we'll wait. Thank you very much for watching. What comes next? Oh yeah. Hope you had a great weekend. Hope your trading went better than mine today. Still getting used to super scalping again. This should have been avoided. And thank you for watching. Good thing editing exists. Have you ever experienced a hip injury before? Yeah, I've pulled like almost every muscle there is. Used to be a very big soccer player. Absolutely shredded my hip flexor, but the joint issue is a bigger problem. I'm one diagnosis criteria off of having a genetic disorder called Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. My joints, connective tissue, and other bone parts and bits are messed up. I have extreme mobility in my joints. I can almost touch the back of my hand with my finger. I can touch my thumb to my arm. Give that a go. You're sitting out there. Try to touch the end of your thumb to your arm, because mine does it with 0 resistance, and that's very, very uncommon. My collarbones also pop out of place. Actually, I'll do it in the mic. I think you could hear that. Looked like the mic was picking it up. Because of that, I can't do things like kayaking or a lot of weightlifting things. Did the mic pick that up? Yeah. But yeah, so that's called sternoclavicular subluxation. Ow. It's pretty much no fix. Well, there is no fix. It's genetic. There is technically a collarbone surgery thing, but nah, I don't care. It affects almost nothing except for kayaking. Well, and lots of different types of weightlifting stuff. On top of that, my hands get stuck in whatever grip I do, which is very painful. If I hold something at like a 90-degree angle, my fingers will stay in that position, and I have to uncurl them. Oh yeah, I'm all messed up. Even had a surgery when I was younger to remove an extra bone. I think the government found out that I was going to be a superhero, and so they made me get a surgery to remove the bone because I would have been too powerful. But who knows? It's probably going to give me the ability to fly. Or perhaps teleport. Probably removed my mind reading bone. Yeah. They had to patch me. Too powerful. Yeah, it's okay, Holland Dark. Most of the stuff doesn't hurt that bad. It's only when I forget. Like when I put on a t-shirt and just dislocate my shoulder and it just cracks. You would think that I would remember and do stuff more carefully, but no. I walk into rooms and have no idea why I'm there. I'm not going to remember that my shoulder dislocates every time I do a certain movement. Yeah, probably Nile. Something. Thank you, MKR. Glad to hear that. But yeah, all those problems are out of my control. They weren't injuries. It wasn't like something happened. It's just like that's how it always was. I've also broken my wrist. Got trading on my mind. Broken my wrist. Fractured a disc in my back. Pulled every muscle from the hip down. Sprinted into a steel pole once. Probably shaved off a few IQ points. Alright, I will end it there. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Hope you did better than me. This is kind of tough. How much fees does NinjaTrader have? You can search the commission rates online and check those out. I pay $4 a month for market data. Top of the book CME level 1. But if you want to trade more stuff than just NASDAQ and the S&P 500 and whatever else comes with that, then you have to pay more. Thank you, Holland Dark. Wow. Thank you to all of you for watching. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.